Good morning, respected sir, and my dear friends. My name is Bhumika Vaswani, and my partner name is Rutvi Modi. To be given the biography of Henry Royce and Charles Royce, who is the founder of Rolls-Royce. Henry Royce was born in 27 March 1863 in Elwood, UK. His parents, James and Mary, run a flour mill. Unfortunately, the family business was struggling by 1867 and they were bankrupt. This forced the Royce family to move to London. When he was 9 years old, Henry's father died. And so instead of going to school, Henry worked full time. He sold newspaper and delivered telegram to post office. Henry Royce and his friend Ernest Claremont agreed to take risks. His friend was engineer and together they began a new business called F.H. Royce and Company in 1884. Henry only has 20 pounds then while Ernest only has 50 pounds with little saving and went business together beginning by making electrical fittings. The Henry made three cars in 1904 which were given the model name Royster. The first car was himself, the second car was given to Ernest, but the third car was sold to a man so impressed by a vehicle that he introduced Henry to a car dealer named Charles Roll.
Charles Ross was born in 1877 to the Baron and Lady Langton. Attended the prestigious Cambridge University for mechanical and applied science. After graduation, he worked on a yacht before moving on to work for the London and North Western Railway. Charles was also one of the very first people in the UK to own a car. His father gave him money to open a car dealership. This was called C.S. Rolls and Corporation, and he began importing French cars to sell to English customers. He made over 170 flights in a hot air balloon and became the second person in the Great Britain to own pilot license. In December 1904, Charles Rolls and Henry Rolls officially created the joint business Rolls-Royce. These two men could not be more different. Henry was born in poverty and worked from everything he had. At the same time, Charles was young and had everything to him. There was also a significant age gap between them. Charles was just 27 years old and Henry was 41.
In 1904, they presented their first vehicle, the Rolls-Royce 10 HP, at the Paris Saloon. Their second vehicle to be sent to market was in 1907, the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. All of metal parts were coated in silver and aluminium. The time it was dubbed the world's best car in world. The Silver Ghost is still considered one of the most valuable cars in 2005.
Charles Rolls went down in history, the first Briton to die in a plane crash in 1910. He was just 32 years old. 1 year later, Henry Roy health declined after using his business partner. In 1914, they manufactured the Rolls-Royce Eagle engine, which provided half of the total horsepower for all Allied planes. This was the beginning of Rolls-Royce legacy regarding plan their cars. By 1921, there was such a massive demand for them that there was a 3 years backlog. So they opened a new American Rolls-Royce factory in Springfield.
In 1930, Henry Royce was awarded the Order of the British Empire and was knighted as a baronet. Just 3 years later, he died at the age of 70. The company's most relevant valuation was over $7 million. If can learn anything from the Rolls-Royce story, it is that no matter where you come from or how black your starting point in life, with enough hard work and determination, you can build something incredible and transform the direction of your life. Rolls-Royce continued to make vehicles long after their death. Even today, the name is still synonymous with luxury. In the word of Henry Royce, strive for perfection, take the best that exists and make it better. If it does not exist, create it.